स्वामी विश्रांत गिरी जी महाराज बताया करते थे बहुत अच्छी तरह से। अशोक वाटिका ध्वस्त कर दी और ऐसे नौटंकी की तो फिर भेजा गया, सैनिक भेजे गए, उनको भी परास्त किया। बहुत गुस्सा आया, अपने लड़के को ही भेजा। फिर ऐसे बाण, ऐसे अस्त्र छोड़े गए आंजनेय पे, वो तो बस एक फूंक करके उसको जला देते। तो उनको मर्यादा देते हुए ठीक है स्वीकार किया वो बंधन को। Then what happened? Anjaneya was taken to the court of Ravana, and Ravana was seated on his high throne. Anjaneya looked at him, and he suddenly decided, see, I have come here as Duta of Rama. Why should I be fearful? Of course, he was not frightened at all. Why should I just stand here like this? This man, this Asura is asking me some questions. Let me make myself comfortable first. So he extended his tail, made a nice high throne of it and sat on it. Then he said, yes, what do you want? Then he was questioned, and then we know the rest. Even at that time, when he was asked, who are you? आंजनेय को पूछा गया, कौन हो तुम? क्या कितना सुंदर कैसे आया। दासो हम कौसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्याक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनुमान शत्रु सैन्य निहंता शत्रु सैन्य नाम हनुमान। there's another one. पहले तू कौन है पूछते ही मैं अमुक हूँ। यहाँ पे क्या उत्तर आया? दासोहम कौसलेन्द्रस्य रामस्य अक्लिष्टकर्मणः हनुमान शत्रु सैन्यानां निहंता मरुतात्मज। अपना परिचय दिया। You understood anything that I said?
Yes.
So, when he was asked, who are you? The first thing that came up, Dasoham Kausalendrasya. I am the servant of Sri Ramchandra. That is his identification. And who is Sri Ramchandra? निहंता शत्रु सैन्यानाम अक्लिष्ट कर्मणः। अक्लिष्ट कर्मणः is क्लिष्ट is difficult. क्लिष्ट means difficult. Karma is karma. So aklishta karma is a person for whom nothing is difficult. He can achieve anything. That is his prowess. So Anjaneya's self-introduction in the court of Ravana, where they are all asuras, Bhayanak. He says, Dasoham. All the courtiers must have felt very happy. Oh, he is surrendering to Ravana, saying, I am your servant. Nothing. He said, Dasoham Kausalendrasya. रामस्य, राम का मैं दूत हूँ, तेरा नहीं। अक्लिष्ट कर्मणः, वो कैसे हैं? अक्लिष्ट कर्मा है वो, उनका अक्लिष्ट कर्मणः दासोहम, मैं दास हूँ। जिनके लिए कुछ भी असाध्य नहीं है, ऐसे श्री रामचंद्र का मैं दास हूँ। हनुमान शत्रु सैन्यानां निहंता मरुतात्मज। फिर अपना परिचय आने लगा। मैं कैसे हूँ? मैं हनुमान हूँ। हनु डिटर्मिन्ड। वो तो एक कहानी है ही पौराणिक, जरा ज़्यादा ही नौटंकी की तो ऐसे मुंह मिला ये खुल गया। पर फिर भी ये हनुमान है नहीं, जिसका डिटर्मिन्ड चिन, इज नॉट अ वीक चिन बोलते हैं। ओह दिस मैन इज, सी हिज जॉ लाइन, सी हाउ डिटर्मिन्ड ही इज, isn't that how we say? So he says, I am Hanuman myself. I am the dasa of Sri Ramchandra, for whom nothing is impossible. Now you want to know who I am? Okay, I will tell you. I am Hanuman. I am also equally determined. Hanuman Shatru Sainyanam Nihanta. I am the destroyer of enemies. And Marutatmaja, Pavanaputra. That comes last. Just the identification कैसे हो रहा है। एक विकट परिस्थिति में भी अपना परिचय कैसे इतने सुंदर ढंग से दिया गया। The beauty of the self-introduction displays Anjaneya's self-identification. He cannot think of himself as Hanuman, as Marutatmaja, as Nihanta of destroyer of enemies. He can only think of himself as Dasa of Sri Ramchandra. Bas. for whom nothing is impossible. The cautioning had been given. He is going to come here and he is going to make mincemeat of you, remember that. He has already declared. And then he himself, I may be weak, I am useless, but my Guru no, or my Lord no, he is like that, nothing. First my Lord is great and I am no less. That is Sharanagati. कितना बल है. पहले श्री रामचंद्र का परिचय उन असुरों को दिया. He made it very clear that he is Aklishta Karma, and then he gave his own parichaya as we would have given. I am Hanuman and I am the destroyer of enemies and Marukatmaja, Pavanaputra. Fantastic.